Good morning children. Welcome back to online classes children. So previous class we have discussed about the sensible eating, nutritional requirement for of different age groups and then nutritional requirement for people with special needs. So children, today's class we are going to learn about the malnutrition. So first we'll understand what is the meaning of malnutrition. So malnutrition is poor nutrition caused because of inadequate intake of food or the improper food in terms of nourishment or quantity. Children, the cause of poor or improper growth. If you won't get the food in proper way, then your body won't develop and your body part won't function according to that. So let me explain that what is the malnutrition by showing the some images. Okay children, here you can see this image, how it looks. This child is very weak. So insufficient intake of nutrients is often the cause of poor or improper growth. You can see the growth. See here muscles, bones, everything you can see how it looks. Children, when the food eaten is inadequate in term of nourishment or quantity for a certain period of time, it results in poor nutrition or malnutrition. When the body does not receive proper nourishment, it is unable to grow well and function effectively. You can see here what is the growth, what is the development of this body. Why it is happened like this? Because of improper food. Next you can see children, overeating. If you eat too much, overeat, then what will happen? Your size will increase. You will become obese. Anything in excess is harmful. If you eat too much, it is harmful to your body. You will become obese. Obese means what? Fat people. People who overeat becomes obese and lethargic, tired. Their energy level are also lower than healthy people. If you are fat, then you can't do the activity very fast. You will take a time because of your body weight. If you eat too much, then always you are feeling sleepy. No mood to do anything. It is a well-known fact that obesity is the root cause of many serious health problems. If you are fat, then you will get the numbers of diseases. Overeating means what? You are inviting the numbers of diseases. Children? So we should not eat too much. Keep on eating, then result you can see here. You will become too much fat. See here, too much eating the junk food. So too much eating junk food, you will become fat, like burger, cheese, pizza. You should not eat that too much. Weekly once or twice you should eat. Every day means it's become too much. So children, next we'll see the deficiency of vitamins and minerals make us more prone to catching infection. If we eat the less quantity or less amount of vitamins and minerals, means you will get the numbers of causes. Children, deficiency of vitamins and minerals leads to certain developmental disorders, also called the deficiency diseases. So here I will explain very detail how you will affected by the numbers of less vitamins. So there is a vitamins fact, vitamin A, B, C, D. If you not eat the improper quantity of the vitamins and minerals, you will affected by the numbers of diseases. So let me explain one by one. So here you can see, children, sources of vitamin A. And you see numbers of things are there: carrot, papaya, meat, egg and cheese, mangoes, fish, broccoli, apricots, peach, melon. So these all are rich in vitamin A. Leafy vegetables also rich in vitamin A. Carrots, papaya and milk you have to eat every day. Deficiency of vitamin A cause night blindness. If you not eat these all vegetables, fruits, egg, meat, then you will affected by the night blindness. Here you can see, children, this is the before, means when you eat all the things, vegetables, fruits, then your eyes will like this. If you not eat which is rich in the vitamin A, then your eyes will become white. That middle round, you can say, it's become the white. That is called the night blindness. You can't see proper way in the night. So for that sake only, we should eat the all kinds of leafy vegetables and fruits. So next you can see, children, vitamin B. Deficiency of vitamin B cause redness of the tongue. You can see the redness of the tongue if you not eat the vitamin B like dal, leafy vegetables and milk, which is the main source of vitamin B. Then what will happen if you not eat the dal and leafy vegetables? Then your tongue will become the red. You can see here red spots. Next you can see again it's caused the roughness of the skin. You can see the roughness of the skin, rashes. You can see the red color. That is the because of vitamin B. So children, so for vitamin B we should eat the dal, leafy vegetables and milk. So these all foods, fruits, vegetables are rich in vitamin B. So next you can see the vitamin C, amla, lemons, oranges and sprouted pulse are rich in vitamin C. If you not eat these all the things, then what will happen? You will cause bleeding from gums. So here children, you can see if you not eat the vitamin C, then what will happen? It's cause the bleeding from gums. You can see a red color. Children, when you brush, sometime what will happen? The blood is coming. Why? Because of you are not eating the citric foods. Means what? Citrus means what? Khatta you say, no? Yes. Like amla, lemon, orange. So in that we will get the vitamin C. So children, next you can see the vitamin D. How its effect? It causes softening of bones, that is known as rickets in children. You can see the bones here. It's not a straight. Here it slides bend. Yana children, that is called the rickets. So children, we should eat vitamin D. So in that fruits, vegetables, we will get the vitamin D. You can see here peas, meat, egg, cod liver oil, shark liver oil. In that we will get the vitamin D. If you not eat, then what will happen? Just now I shown one image. Your bone will become very soft. So each and every fruits, vegetables is very important for growing children. So we should eat all kinds of fruits and vegetables to growth, to become very strong. Okay children, so just now I have shown the images of vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C and then D. If you not eat, then how it is affected? What are the cause we can say? If you not eat the fruits and vegetables which is rich in vitamin A, then you will affected by the night blindness. What is that? Night blindness means you cannot see the properly. And the children, like that in the B also, if you not eat the dal and the leafy vegetables, if you not drink the milk, then you will affected by the redness of the tongue and the roughness of your skin. And the children, redness of your tongue and roughness of your skin. You can see the patches red color on your face, on your body. So that is because of the B only, vitamin B only. And the next is the vitamin C. If you not eat the citrus food like mango, amla, orange, then tamarind, that is all rich in the vitamin C. If you not eat, then what will happen? You will affected by the bleeding from your gums. Bleeding. And the last one is the D. Vitamin D. If you not eat the fish, egg, then you will affected by the rickets. Your bones will become very soft. Very soft means what? It's not a straight position. It's become little bit slant. Yeah, the children. So rickets in the children we can see because of the vitamin D only. Clear children? So these are the some deficiency of vitamin and the minerals. Yeah, the children. So we have to eat all kinds of vegetables. Should not leave anything. Leafy vegetables, fruits, everything is very important for our growth and development. You can see here children, see all kinds of vitamin A, B, C and D. It's a very important. It's to protect the number of disease. So we have to eat all kinds of vegetables, fruits, meat, egg, citrus food that is rich in vitamin D children. So here children, I have finished this lesson, that is a sensible eating. So, based on that, whatever we finish in this video, children, we'll do the small activity. Okay, children, we'll do the small activity. So, let me show the some images and you have to tell me which food are good for our health and which food are not good for our health. You can see here, children, first image here given the cake, then fruits, then beetroot, popcorn, soft drinks, burger, vegetables, broccoli, ice cream, then one more ice cream, apple juice, coconut water and honey. So here, children, you have to tell me here which food is correct for our health. In which food items we will get the nutrients. So in which food we will get, you have to just tick it. See, in cake we won't get, so we have to cross. Wrong. In the vegetables we will get the nutrients. Correct. Next is what here? Beetroot. Beetroot also we will get the nutrients. So correct. In popcorn and soft drinks we will get the nutrients? No. Then it is a wrong. Next, children, you can see the burger. Burger is rich in the nutrients? No. Then this also wrong. In vegetables, yes, numbers of protein and minerals. So it is correct. Broccoli also rich in minerals. So this also correct. Next, ice cream. It's wrong. Next, you can see the one more ice cream cone. It's a wrong. Apple juice, yes, it's rich in vitamin. Then next is the coconut water. This also rich in nutrients. So this also good for health. Okay, children. So these are the some small activity we have done. Now we will do the. I will write something on the board, children. You have to do that things in the EVS notebook. Clear, children? So in this lesson, numbers of things we have learned, children. What is the sensible eating? Which food is the very important for our health? Yeah, no? So in which food and vegetables we will get the which kinds of the vitamin A, B, C, D. So these all the things we have discussed in this lesson, children. So children, onwards today only you should start eating the all kinds of vegetables and plus leafy vegetables also. Should not leave anything. Every day at least one kind of vegetables and daily one type of fruits you have to eat for your good health, children. You will eat the children? Yes. So eating healthy food is very, very important for our overall growth. So we have to remember, children, so always we must eat a balanced diet to grow up strong and healthy. We have to drink daily milk because milk is a complete food which is rich in calcium that makes our bones and teeth very strong. And we also have to eat the curd. Curds also rich in protein and calcium. So we have to eat the curds also. Clear, children? So onwards today only start eating all kinds of leafy vegetables which is very, very important for our health. Especially the growing children should eat this all the things. Clear? So we'll do the small activity on the board. So here, children, I am going to give the some of the fill in the blanks. That is a homework for you. You have to do in the EVS notebook. Clear, children? This is the homework for you. Fill in the blanks. First one, deficiency of vitamin D. Deficiency of vitamin D leads to dash in children. Dash in children. Okay, children. Next, a person who overeats often becomes dash. See, who will overeat, what will become? Obese. Deficiency of vitamin D leads which kind of disease? Rickets in children. When you see this video, you will get this answer. So see, from starting till ending, then only you will get this all answers, children. Clear? Children? So here, children, one more work I will give. That work you have to do in the EVS notebook. So stick the pictures of vegetables and fruits which is rich in numbers of vitamins. So all the fruits and vegetables, we know it that is rich in the vitamins A, B, C, D. Yeah, no, children. Just now I have shown the images also which food items is rich in the vitamins A, B, C. So this activity, what I am giving now, this activity you have to do in the EVS notebook. Okay, children? So here I will write activity. Activity. Stick the pictures of fruits and vegetables. See, stick the pictures of fruits and vegetables in your EVS notebook. So here I given the fruits. Don't stick the numbers of fruits. At least the 4 fruits you have to stick, 4 pictures only. Okay, children. So here I will write any 4 pictures. So any 4 you have to stick in your EVS notebook. Like that vegetables also. So which are rich in vitamins. Stick the some leafy vegetables also. That is rich in the vitamins. Okay, children. So this to filling the blanks. Deficiency of vitamin D leads to dash in children. Next, a person who overeats often becomes dash. Next activity, stick the pictures of fruits and vegetables in your EVS notebook. Any 4 pictures, children, you have to stick in your EVS notebook. So children, sensible eating is an very important as eating healthy food. Avoid eating the too much junk food because it's affect your health only. You will become too much fat and then you are inviting the numbers of diseases by eating the too much junk food. Monthly 2 times is okay. Every day it's the very bad for your health. In the lunch and the dinner time you have to eat the complete food. Dal, rice, chapati, one kind of vegetables, pickle. Pickle is also very important, children. Pickle. So this is called the complete food, balanced diet food you have to eat in the lunch and dinner. Remember, morning breakfast is very important. Yesterday I had given some work for you. Did you observe your parents either they are eating or not morning breakfast? Observe. Very good. So children, when your parents and you also when you not eat the morning breakfast, then it is a very affecting for your health only. So morning breakfast is very important and then morning till the lunch time you should not eat anything in between. Keep a gap. Keep on eating. Now 9 o'clock I finish the breakfast, again 10 o'clock something, then 11 o'clock, like that. Continuous eating you will become the very obese, very fat, no mood, tired. You know, lethargic means what? Tired. Anytime your mood is not good, you want to sleep only, sleepy mood. Anywhere you will sleep because of too much overeating. Clear, children? So breakfast is very important. Then lunch. After the lunch, 5 or 6 o'clock, you have the small snacks, no problem. Then that is also good habit. Then finally night. Night dinner is very important. Clear, children? Because 8 to 9 hours we are sleeping. So the night food is also very important. Clear, children? Eat the nutrition food and become very healthy. So the children, this is our today's class. I hope you will enjoy by seeing the images and do this work in the EVS notebook. Thank you, children.